dear brothers and the sisters, why do you hide your face? Or why do you cover your face at some moments in your life? Lalo na po siguro sa mga taong medyo metikuloso sa kanilang skincare, sa kanila pong makeup. Sayang naman ang ganda ng inyong makeup, sayang naman ang inyong skincare if you have, or sayang naman ang inyong pong pag-alaga sa inyong muka, sa inyong ulo, if this would just be hit directly by air, by the heat of the sun, by dust, by anything else. We cover our face and we cover our heads to ensure protection. But also, we cover ourselves as a sign of our unworthiness. When people would praise us, when people would credit us for something to do, we cover our heads. We bow our heads in shame and in unworthiness, saying that I am not worthy to be praised. I am not worthy to be credited about. An experience of protection and an experience of unworthiness. If you happen to listen carefully to our readings today, my dear brothers and sisters, Abraham, in front of God, prostrated himself humbly and unworthily. This is the story of the vocation of Abraham himself. When God chose Abraham to be the father of many nations, to be the father and model of faith to all of us until now, his action of prostration is but an action of unworthiness, telling God that I am worthy, yet Lord, allow me to be blessed by you. Allow me to be empowered by you. And we heard that today, after Jesus had spoken with the Jews, making himself clear who he is as the Messiah and the Son of God. Matapos niya sabihin ang katotohanan, the Jews threw stones at him, and Jesus hid and went out of the temple area. A sign of protection, a sign of an expression that the time of Jesus' suffering and death has not yet come. A sign of God's protection and shielding him from our enemies. I hope this is a good experience to all of us, my dear brothers and sisters, that during this Lenten season, we too saw ourselves covering our faces, bowing our heads, because we are unworthy of the blessings of the Lord, unworthy of the many multiple graces God has been pouring over us. A sign of humility and yet a simple desire from the Lord, in my unworthiness, continue blessing me like Abraham. And also, let us also see ourselves hiding ourselves from our enemies trying to revoke us. Hiding ourselves from whatever is bad. Hiding ourselves from sin that makes us bad. Asking the Lord to protect us and defend us. Kaya pakatandaan po natin mga kapatid, pinagpapala po tayo ng Diyos at pinagtatanggol tayo ng Diyos. Let this experience of bowing our heads, of covering ourselves, be an expression of our unworthiness and yet God's graciousness. Our sense of defense, so that God can be there up front for us. So that bowing our heads, may we always know how God cares and how God protects.